Okay, now I'm going to scoot down just a bit more just so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, and I'm going to ask Bennett. Bennett, can you help me set up a proportion for these two, the actual and the map?
Well, first, 4 would be the denominator.
You want to make 4 the denominator, 4 inches? Okay. And what goes on top of the 4 inches?
18 feet.
I don't think so.
I know.
Because this is definitely
X.
the length. I'm going to put X inches right there. Good. So let me ask you this then. What goes over on this, the top of the other fraction, Bennett? 18 feet. That's true. Because it's in the same place, right? X and 18. And what goes underneath?
24 feet.
24 feet. Now, let me ask you, Lou, for this one. Do I need to cross multiply for this one? Or is there an easier way to do it?
There's an easier way to do it.
Because it comes out evenly, doesn't it? Okay. Well, Casey, can you tell me what is the easier way to do it?
When you do 24 divided by 6,
So-
18 divided by 6.
So you're going to divide this. I'm sorry, I wrote that the wrong way because I don't want 6. You want to divide 24 by 6. So you're going to divide 18 by 6. And what do you get when you divide 18 by 6, Casey? 3. So do you agree that X is equal to 3 inches? Does that make sense? Is that good? Beautiful.
But that's feet, right?
These are ratios.
Oh, so it doesn't matter?
No, it doesn't matter. That means if I had a map, I could do 3 feet on the map goes with 4 feet on the map. 3 to 4, it's the same scale. Does that make sense? But now watch this. If I didn't, I mean I can see that obviously, but X over 4 is equal to 18 over 24. Cross multiply, 24x is equal to, what's 4 times 18? What's 2 times 18?
36.
36. So what's 2 times that?
60.
72.
72. Good. And then just divide by 24. How many times will 24 go into 72? Not twice. 3 times. X is equal to 3. And that's what we got earlier, isn't it? So that always works. Okay? Now let's look at this last example. All right? Using rates in real life. Now the last one was a ratio, wasn't it? We did inches and inches and feet and feet.
So the proportion is just a mix.
It's just a fraction that equals a fraction. Okay? You don't have to worry about the units necessarily. If a fraction equals a fraction, it's a proportion. Okay? So great. In example number 2, it says a punch recipe calls for 4 cups of orange juice. Now, the recipe will serve 8 people. You were making punch for a party with 32 people. How many cups of orange juice will you need? Can you set up a proportion for me? A proportion always looks like this. Fraction equals fraction. 4 cups gives us what? 8 people. All right. 32 on the bottom. And then X on top. X cups, isn't it? Okay. Do I need to cross multiply on this one? No? Does it go into it evenly?
Yes, 8 goes into 32 4 times.
So 8 times 4. So that means I need to do 4 times 4? And what do I get? 16 cups.
So you don't have to mess with the digits in this one either?
No, I'm just trying to find out how many cups. That's all I have to do.
And then you would simplify.
No, I'm not simplifying here because look, I have to answer the question. How many cups? 16 cups.
But why?
My answer isn't even a fraction. My answer is 16 cups. Right? Excellent job. You're ready for your homework.